What's up, guys? JP here from JP Shooting and Hunting Adventures. Actually, it's JP Hunting and Shooting Adventures. Okay, I'm bringing you a video because this is an unboxing video. Okay, I've been wanting to get one of these for a while now. I just didn't know if I wanted to get it or try to see if I can make one. But I went ahead and got it. Okay, you see that? This is a Caldwell shooting stable table, and as you can see, I got it right there in the back of the truck. I'm gonna unbox it, put it together, and see how portable it is. Because I want to take this out to the hunting areas that I go to, and maybe set up some targets where I can, sight my rifle in and get it ready, or maybe put it in the blind, see how it works. But regardless, I'm excited. I want to take it out of the box, see what it looks like, see how hard it is to put together, and go from there. I'm going to use my favorite little knife right here to get this box open and see what this stable table looks like and put it together. But anyway, you guys stay tuned, and I'll show you what this shooting table looks like. Let me show you what's all included in this box, okay, of this stable table. Okay, watch this. Caldwell Shooting Supplies, caldwellshooting.com. This is their stable table shooting bench. That's what it looks like with a person on it, okay? But according to this, the legs looks like they have some kind of bench leveling mechanism. So if you're on an unstable ground, the legs can, I guess, be leveled. Okay. On top of that, it says it's built for ultimate accuracy. Looks like you got a knob on the bottom of the table to rotate. You also got a knob or a stem down at the bottom, for rotation. And according to that, you can unified rotation. Okay. So you can lock the table and the seat and stem together, okay, allowing 360 rotation as a unit. So this whole thing can rotate around, like maybe if you're in the back of a truck or something and you're out hunting and you need to rotate to, see the game. Okay, so that's interesting. I didn't know that. I like that. And also, I guess you can rotate the top of the table, and the seat, in opposite directions, okay, independently, okay. Anyway, wanted to show you guys this shirt. Okay, this is my Boars All Day shirt. Got it from the hunting grounds that I went to back in November over at Boars All Day in Texas. Okay, nice shirt. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me step back a little bit. Okay, it was a nice shirt. Got the emblem of Texas on it. I got Chris's logo on it, and on the back, check it out, Boars All Day. Okay, if you're looking for a place to go in Texas to do some hunting some hogs, and he's got other game on his property as well. Okay, I'm going to put a link in the description, and I'm going to try to link the video somewhere in here. Okay, to the hunting video I did back in November out on his property. Okay, but anyway, you guys go check out his website. Okay, if you're interested in a hunt, give him a call. Book a hunt. And really nice facility. He's got a really nice hunting lodge. When we went out there in November, we had a great time. He's a wonderful host. All right, so let's go ahead and finish taking this stuff out of the box. Okay, looks like we got, wow, we got 3 legs right here, guys. This is heavy duty. This is heavy duty steel. Okay, because this is not wimpy. This has got some heft to it, nice and heavy. Okay, I'm gonna put this over here. All right. Looks like this might be where the seat goes, where you can rotate on. Put that right there. Got some pins. Okay, these are big old pins. They look like maybe 3/8 inch steel. Okay. Nice little, looks like a rest for your gun. Put that right there too. Not sure what these are for. These are some knobs or something. Gotta look at the instructions, see what all that's about. Oh, here's the other end for your gun rack, for your gun rest. And seat, nice and cushiony. Got two big old bolts coming out of the bottom. You know, obviously that goes down. You know, you don't want to sit on them. Okay. Assembly instructions. You definitely want to hold on to them. Okay. Oh, I see what those things are for. You know, those are rubber feet. Okay, for the bottom of your legs or something. Looks like. We'll see what happens. But definitely got to hold on to that. Got some parts. Looks like this might be the collar that sits on the legs and the table sits on top. Okay, we'll put this over here. I don't know, some kind of plate, maybe for the table. Definitely got to read the instructions now. Yeah, that's obvious where that goes. That goes on the bottom, and the legs comes out right there. Collar sits right here for the top of the table. Guys, this is heavy duty. This ain't no messing around. This is built very good. You know, you see those welds right there? Those are nice beads, you know, that they built. Okay, so this is not a cheaply made product. This feels heavy duty. Okay. Now this is cool. Okay, this is the table, nice and light. Okay, made out of some PVC plastic or something. Okay, but let's start putting it together, because that's all that's in the box. You're gonna need these 3 pins for the legs. Okay. I see how that works now. Got to put this gasket in here. I guess that's what helps it rotate. Sure enough. Okay. We just put it right there for now. Get the idea? Chair goes here, table goes on top. Okay. You will need a 1/2-inch wrench, okay, because the nuts that come with it to hold the seat down, you know, you need it. So I went ahead and took this portion of the table off, so I can go ahead and mount my seat. And all it does is just go like that. There. Yeah. They gave them to me. Might as well put them on. All right. So. But that's how that goes. I'm gonna see if I can go ahead and speed up the video here. Okay, because all you're gonna see is just me tightening this down. All right, well that's it. Okay, put them 2 bolts on there. Hold your seat on there. Let's put it on. Next step is to mount the table mounting bracket to the table, and it's got just 6 screws. They give you the Allen wrench for it, and you know, it's not difficult. If you're mechanically inclined, it should be fairly easy to put this on. You know, you can't really mess this up because the way the bolt pattern is, it won't allow you to put it on the other way. So they've made these things so easy to put together now. You almost don't need the instruction booklet, okay? I did need to read the instruction booklet to see what this part was called. This is called the table mounting bracket, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the camera again and finish putting these on. There it is, no big deal. 6 screws. Back this out so you can fit that conduit on this sleeve. And guys, we're almost done. But there it is. Oh yeah, this is nice and sturdy. Okay, so just picture, you know, this may be like on the back of a truck. Put your rifle on here with your bipod on it. You know, you're driving down the road in your truck and you see some game. You know, obviously, if you're going to do something like that, you got to make sure that the hunting rules and the laws of whatever state you're hunting at allows it. Okay, some states don't allow you to shoot out of a vehicle or a moving vehicle at that, but this allows you to do this. Okay, turn it around, turn it this way, and shoot. Okay, but besides that, that's really about it. If you're looking to go to Texas to do some hog hunting, look them up. I'll put a description down below. His name is Chris Day, and the name of his website is called Boars All Day. Guys, nicest guys I've ever met, you know, in hunting. Got a great place, got a great lodge for hunters. Look them up, okay? Put a link down below, boarsallday.com. Go check them out. Hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.